Can you guess? Super duper excited to open this. Careful with the knife. Very nice. Vitamin B12. Yes. Wait, I'm gonna try this after this filming this. So I got the 24 colors. The bag is so good. I like the effect. 3D effect. Open it. So good. So we have the manual. These are the colors. They have this swatch paper, swatch pad. It comes with white and black. So you can see the difference, how the color will look like if it's a white paper or black or dark. I think it's good. You have Nahuku. Shake then and dry. Let's see, the tip is a brush tip. You can see the ink here and here as well. One observation is this chipping on the paint of the pen, but it's minor. I will do a separate video for the swatching, so let's probably just try this one. Okay, so to try, I'm going to make a bookmark. I'll swatch it later. Separate video. We're going to make a bookmark out of this thing. I want you to guess what I'm making. This is how it looks like. Oh my god. It went out. Alright, so let's start. Let it dry. But that's B210. 210. Silver, silver. BG85. So you see here, it's not mixed at all. So I'm going to shake it. So pretty. I wanted to make the Shiny Smiling Ditto, but it's not smiling at all. Just make it longer, the mouth. Look at the corner. green. This one is so nice. I love the colors. Right. They started right. See, it's mixing. Have to wait. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe.